Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save voice message on Messenger. Unfortunately, Messenger doesn't have a built-in feature to save voice messages, but don't worry, I've got a simple workaround for you. First, let's open Messenger and find the voice message you want to save. You can do this on either your phone or computer. For this tutorial, I'll be using my phone. Open the Messenger app and navigate to the conversation with a voice message. Play the message to make sure it's the right one. Now, we need to use a screen recording app. Most smartphones come with a built-in screen recorder. If your phone doesn't have one, you can download a free screen recording app from the App Store. Swipe down to open your phone's control center and tap the screen recording button. If you don't see it, you may need to add it to your control center in the settings. Before you start recording, make sure your volume is up so the voice message can be clearly heard. Once you're ready, start the screen recording, then play the voice message. After the voice message finishes playing, stop the screen recording. Your phone will save the recording to your gallery or Photos app. Next, let's edit the recording to keep only the voice message part. Open the recording in your gallery or Photos app and use the edit tool to trim the video. Cut out any unnecessary parts before and after the voice message. Save the trimmed video. Now you have the voice message saved as a video file. You can listen to it anytime or even share it with others. And that's it. You've successfully saved a voice message from Messenger. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.